Hi, we made a landing page in 5 minutes. Now let's build a full beauty salon website. First, we need to create a child theme. If you're using a third-party theme and start making changes, all your edits will be erased with the next update. A child theme lets us safely override styles, templates, and even plugin code. In the terminal, write the path to the root folder of the site on your local server. Go to the WP content folder, then into themes. Use mkdir to create Hello Elementor Child. Enter that folder and use touch to create the files style.css, functions.php, and my.js. All right, let's open our functions.php file. Now to connect our styles, we're going to use a WordPress function called add_action. This function allows us to hook our own code into a specific process as WordPress runs. We'll use the WP Enqueuescripts hook to tell WordPress that we want to add styles to the loading queue. And right after it, we pass the name of the function we are going to create for this task, my styles and scripts. Next, we create the my styles and scripts function. Inside it, we call the WordPress function WP Enqueuestyle to load the parent theme's style sheet. We name it my parent CSS. We use the getTemplateDirectory URI function, which returns the URL of the parent themes folder. Next, we call the WP Enqueuestyle function again, this time for our child theme styles. First, we assign it a unique handle, myChildCSS. Then using getStyleSheetURI, we get the full path to our child theme's style CSS file. With the array myParentCSS, we specify that these styles must load strictly after the parent themes. To avoid using cached styles, we add the theme version to the CSS URL. WP getThemeApp getVersion takes the version number from style.css and helps load the latest file. Style CSS file. Without it, WordPress simply won't know that your child theme exists. It's the theme's passport. In the theme name line, we write the name of our theme. In the template field, we enter the exact name of the parent themes folder on the server, in our case, Hello Elementor. We also specify the theme author. And manually set the version number. This is the version number we'll use in functions.php to make sure styles are always up to date. Next, we use the WordPress function WP Enqueuescript to connect our JavaScript file. We name it my.js, specify the path using getStyleSheetDirectory URI, we use array jQuery to tell WordPress that our JavaScript file should load only after jQuery, so our code runs properly. We set true to load the script in the footer, which improves page load speed and ensures all HTML is ready before the script runs. Let's check our theme. It's not showing up. Let's take a look at functions.php. No errors there. Now let's check style CSS. Yep, there's a typo. Like I said earlier, the style CSS file is crucial for a WordPress theme to work properly. Let's activate our theme. Let's check if the styles work. Everything looks good. Elementor Pro and Kits Pro links to try in the description. In the next video, we'll write some jQuery code for a slider. See you then.